In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel tank straps on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Just going to support the tank. All right, get that lined up. That's good. It's supporting now. Using a 15mm socket, you want to loosen up the bolts. You want to do this by hand. You don't want to use an impact. Otherwise, you might break the nut on top. Let's get that spinning. There we go. Slide that down. Take the tank strap and just slide it up, and it comes right out. And we'll take this strap off the same way. 15mm socket. Again, you don't want to use an impact. You could break the J-nut. Take that bolt out and slide the strap down. And I'll take that off, and it slides right down. For the bolts, I'm just going to use a light coat of anti-seize just because we're in a rusty area. That's good. Slide that into the frame. Just use a pry bar, push that up. Just get this lined up. Take the bolt, get that started. And same for the back strap. Put that in there. Get it started, and snug it down. Now we'll torque these to 30 foot-pounds. That's good. Now you can lower the support.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.